It's 2023, it's a new year, so I was debating on what type of video should I give you guys. First video of the year, and I decided to help out young adults, kids that's in high school that's getting ready to go to college, or if you're already in college, I'm about to show you guys a way how you can make some money right now or start the process without having to invest hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars that you don't have. And it's going to be doing things that you're already doing. That's what you're about to learn in this video. Make sure you guys hit the good old subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's get right into it.
Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky.
Welcome to the page. I'm Lando Success. I'm a YouTuber where I have pages where I talk about finances, sports, all type of different things. But with this one today, I'm about to show you guys exactly what I do and how you can utilize it with your career right now. So first, let's look at it like this. If you are a college student, if you are a high school student getting ready to go to college, what are you doing first? When you want to go apply to a university, you go on Google or you go on YouTube to figure out how to apply. The next thing is when you want to see the campus of a university, what do? You go to Google or you go to YouTube. Let me know in the comments, what do you probably go to? I believe majority of us go to YouTube to finally see this content. So this is the mindset I have here, right? I want you guys to create evergreen content. Orlando, what is evergreen content? That means stuff that will go on the internet and last forever. I'm going to show you at the end of the video some videos I made years ago that I'm still getting paid thousands of dollars for every year, something I did years ago. So evergreen content is, for example, I did a video last year, how to start your LLC in Michigan. That is a video that people will look for the next 5-10 years. I'm going to still possibly get views on that. Now, regular content, let's say Donald Trump do something crazy and his house get raided, and I do a video about that today, it's really only going to be relevant for like 3 days, a week if it's very good. After that, nobody care about it. So we're going to focus on content that you're going to create that's going to last and going to get you paid forever. So we're going to use the University of Michigan for an example. So let's say you are about to apply to get into the University of Michigan. Since I'm from Michigan, I know how hard it is to get in. My sister was a 4.0 student and I went to her orientation. I'm like, yeah, we need to change all your classes to AP classes to be able to possibly get you in, right? So first you can do a video on how to apply for the University of Michigan. You can talk about the financial aid, how much it costs, or just to apply, say it's a $35 fee. When I was in high school, I didn't know it cost like $40, and it's probably higher now. It costs money every single time I apply. So you see right here, say first year applicants, the requirements and deadlines. You can talk about that because most people don't know what's the deadlines, the times you have to apply, how do financial aid. Shit, look at this. This is $75. When I was in school, sound like, oh, here, when they're back in my day, it was only $2. I don't like my picture right here. Bam, there we go. So you can talk about this whole process right there. Simple. Essay questions. They want you to do an essay, so you can do an example of which essay did you actually do. Come on, student profile. Teach people how to do this. So you have 5 videos you can do just off of applying to it. So the next thing is, okay, you got accepted. You can do a quick little vlog. Hey y'all, I got accepted to University of Michigan. Yay, all that type of cute stuff, right? And you are about to go on campus, right? What you can do is a University of Michigan tour. 2 years ago is at the top. Something somebody did 2 years ago. If they want to search, instead of them finding yours, they got to go to a 2-year-old video, a 3-year-old video, 7-month video, 2-year-old video. So they need up-to-date videos with some good quality. Now we're about to look at a second of her video. And I want you to be honest. Let me know in the comments, is this something you can do? Be 100% honest. Let me mute my mic.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the campus of the University of Michigan. So I am a proud University of Michigan alum, so I'm very excited to be showing you my campus and Ann Arbor today. So today we're starting in the Diag, which is Chime to 12 anymore, the Ugly, and some other fun things on the Diag. So here we are down on this side of the Diag, we are just over there. So this is the Shapiro Undergraduate Library, affectionately known as the Ugly, because it used to look very ugly before they redid it. So this fountain has also a lot of traditions with it. So when students are here for orientation, they will get in the fountain and walk to my left towards the Diag, towards where they're going to study. So here we are at the Law Quad. Over to my left and across the street is where we just were at the Michigan Union, and then behind us across the street is the Diag where we were earlier. We're just behind the libraries.
So I want you guys to keep it 100 with me. Is that video special? The mic quality is not good. It's rainy and wet outside. She didn't do no effects. She didn't use no major camera. She used a phone, and she got a friend to record, and she walked around and talked about Michigan, and it got 100,000 views. And if you look in the comments, first comment you see, this tour is one of the best I ever seen. I feel like I was there. Thank you. Thank you so much for a virtual tour. This 1 month ago, y'all. Thank you so much for the virtual tour. Appreciate your effects in the event cold weather. Thank you so much. So she didn't do anything special, and people are appreciative that she did it. So can you do a video better than that? Something up to date. So while you're in there, you have to study the university, learn the history. You can talk to some teachers. Unlimited content on this avenue right here. So you got to the university, you did that video. What's another one you can do? Oh, I just got to my dorm room. How should I set up my dorm room? People are going to Google and YouTube exactly how to do it. I'm going to probably mute some of him out because I think he got music on this one. Like smart. I love his. He completely got the music playing. I'm probably doing it in this video. The room looked terrible. He like, look, I just got my keys to the room, just brought my stuff in here. It's small, it's ugly. You're like, man, how you gonna bring this thing together? So he, boom, walking around on campus, headphones in his phone. Let me set up his YouTube stuff because he's smart and he get the plan. Look, he did this video how many years ago? 3 years ago. He got 100,000 plus subscribers now. He probably started his channel 3 years ago off of this game plan, going over his friends. You have to learn how to be a personality. Simple. Another brother. College dorm room essentials. What do I need? He's at Wake Forest. Got his stuff looking. This don't look like no damn college dorm room. That's Wake Forest is killing it. Great stuff. Pimped it out. Now, I know you guys want to know about the money. Lando, show me the money. How much money I can make. This is how YouTube pays you. We go to revenue, and like in the last 28 days, I made over $1,500. This is how much money you get paid per 1,000 views. This is how much money YouTube make per 1,000 views. You get 65% of that, which equate to right around here. They call it RPM, revenue per meal. So every 1,000 views, this is how much you're getting paid. Depending on what type of content you provide, this price changes. If you're doing college university content, I have no idea. I would say it's $8. I have no idea. It could be $8 because you can put a lot of ads on that. Mine is mainly finance, so mine is high. If you just probably talk regular debates, it's probably like $3. Gaming content could be probably $4, no telling, and it switches up. So one thing I want to show you guys, and it show you like every day, hey, this day I made $30, or it's not showing today, but it supposed to show like every day how much money you done made, that cute stuff. Now, and it fluctuates. Some months you make a lot, some months you make less, But the main thing I want to show you guys is, remember I told y'all about the Evergreen content. So this show in the last 48 hours, I got 5,600 people have viewed my channel, right? They show in the last 60 minutes, since I've been doing this video, 129 stuff. But we want to look at last 48 hours. Look at the dates. So you got, okay, new videos I done did, new videos I done did. Cool. Bam. 2021. So people in the last 48 hours, 106 people watched the video I did in 2021. We're in 2023. Look at this. I did a video on how to be a Shipt shopper. I'm a hustler. I know how to hustle and make money. I did a video on that, and look at this. Let's look how many views it got. Let's look how much money I made. Come on. There we go. I made $3,370.81 for a video I made 2 years ago. Think of that. This is evergreen content where you can keep on getting paid on and on and on and on. And the last 28 days, last month, I made $100. This video, look at the RPM, $42 because it's teaching people how to make money. So you're going to start getting your mind and your ideology a little bit different. Let's see if we can find any more videos like that. Because 2021 right there, another one, 2021. This is a DoorDash video. Boom. Let's see if we got a 2020. This buying a 7-Eleven franchise. Bam, we got a 2020 video. So this is 2+ years ago. Chick-fil-A franchise. I made $1,348 on this, and you see my stuff is a lot lower. The RPM is at $6. Look how many views it's got, 224,000 views. So you don't know what's going to pop off. You don't know. You can do your college video and that shit get 6 views. You just got to keep on doing it, keep on trying to keep on putting in the work. And this is one of many ways you can make some money as a new college student. Happy 2023. Let's hustle. Let's make some money. I'm Lando Says. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know what did you like best about this video. And I'm out.